What's up, guys? Asher from Srkcycles.com. Today I have a 2008 Yamaha V-Star 1300 Tourer. Cobra pipes. Check this out. That's a car tire. I don't get it. But we'll talk about that. So before we get going, guys, words of wisdom for the day. John chapter 15, verse 13. Greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends. There you go, guys. All right, so with that, all right. Oh, big boy. Take it on the highway. See what it's like. What do you guys think? Think we should go on the highway? Let's go on the highway. All right. So there's a car tire on the back. That's new. I've never heard of or seen it before. Is that I don't know, for you touring guys, your long distance touring guys, is that pretty common? I mean, Sean mentioned something. He said something about Goldwing guys putting them on the backs of Goldwings for long distances. Said it's called dark siding, something like that. I'm assuming because there's a car tire and it's a motorcycle, so you're moving over to the dark side. I don't know. That's what he tells me, though. I've never seen it before. I thought it was wild. He said there's a car tire on the back. I went, you're joking? And he goes, no, take a look. Sure enough, there is a car tire on the back of this. So never seen that before. That was really funny. So let me know, guys. Have you ever? What is this thing on the end of the throttle? Oh, it's a little wrist. Okay. Yeah, there's like this little nub on the end of the throttle. You just lay your wrist on it. That's well thought out. Yeah, the whole car tire thing. It makes sense. I mean, it makes sense for longevity purposes. I guess. You touring guys, you ever heard of that before? Let me know, because that's the first I'm hearing of it. I mean, I guess it does make sense. It does make sense, especially if you're just kind of crushing a lot of highway miles. It makes sense to have that on there if you're not doing any twisties or anything like that. Just because it won't wear out, right? I mean, car tires wear out. Yeah, I would imagine it's because car tires wear out slower than motorcycle tires do. Anyway, I don't know. I'm just kind of tickled by it, that's all. Never heard of that before. But it's very cool. It feels great. It feels really good riding it. Yeah, as far as the riding position goes, I mean, I got full, the seat's nice and comfy, kind of sits you up a little bit, keeps your back straight. The floorboard, the position of the floorboards are interesting, because a lot of these bikes with forward controls really kind of stretch your legs out. Now, if you're like Sean or Caleb, who's like 6'3" or whatever, it's no problem. You can reach them without an issue. I'm 5'10", but I only have a 30-inch inseam. So I have very short legs. So in a lot of those bikes with the way far forward, forward controls, I have a lot of problems with them. It's not that you can't ride them. It's just that it's not that you can't ride them. It's just that it can get a little awkward. It can get a little awkward with short legs. That's all I'm saying. This one, the controls are back a little bit. They're still forward. You're still sitting here like you're in a nice, a nice comfy chair. But your legs aren't like, a lot of them, it'd be almost out here where the highway bars are. These are pulled back a little bit. So keep that in mind, guys. If you have shorter legs, and you're looking for a touring bike, this would probably be a pretty good option for you, just because it is, your kind of riding area is a little more compact than it is on some of the other ones. There's a bug right in front of my eye. There we go. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Definitely, if you're shorter or you got shorter legs, I really do think this would be a good option as far as the touring bikes go. So, but we'll get it on the highway, see what it does. There's a whole stereo in here. I haven't played around with any of it. I know when I turned it on, the radio was on, but I haven't messed around with it or not. I know it works. Is that a CD player? That's a CD player. This has a CD player in it. That's funny. Alright. Woo! Sounds cool. It's just the right amount of noise. Yeah, those Cobra pipes sound really good on this. Yeah, like I said, it really is. It's just the right amount of noise. It's not like crazy loud. All right, let's go. It's not crazy loud, but it's loud enough. All right, here we go. Onto the highway. Oh man, it gets up and moves nice. I like that. I like that a lot. That thing just pulls off, man. That is great. That's awesome. So we'll try out this little, it feels like it's like a wrist, like a cramp reliever almost, but let's get on here first. Okay, there's one. We're gonna have to go. Alright, we cruising. Oh yeah, that's exactly what that's for. That's nice. Just pull your hand off of the throttle and just hold it here. Oh, that is so good. That's awesome. Whoever put that on here thought that one through really, really well. Sorry guys, I keep checking the mic. Believe it or not, this is the second time I've ridden this bike. First time I rode it, mic came unplugged and I lost all the audio. So you're not going to be seeing that one. Oh yeah, this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. You know, it's the kind of deal where it's like, alright, let's, you know, a couple thousand miles? Yeah, no big deal, let's do it. It's very, very comfortable. It can handle the freeway speeds with no problem. You can pass without a problem. It moves. Yeah, it moves. That's pretty impressive. Good job, Yamaha. It's a good bike right there. So one of the things I did notice, and I was laughing pretty hard when I discovered it. This thing has self-canceling turn signals. Yeah, self-canceling turn signals. I wasn't expecting it. And you'll see. I'll just show you when we get off on the exit up here. I'll show you. So like, I turned my turn signal on, went to turn it off, looked down, and it was already off. Like, what is going on here? So that's cool. This is the second time these guys have seen me ride this bike by them. So, yeah, so highway, not a problem. Getting it around town was actually really, really easy for such a big bike. I had no issues, you know, moving it around the lot at the shop, or taking off from stoplights or at a stoplight. It carries its weight very, very well, and that's awesome. That's awesome. I was really impressed. I've been super impressed with this bike, if I'm being honest. I might actually, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I wouldn't complain if somebody gave me one. Hey, Sean, you want to give this one to me? Nah, I'm just kidding. One of you guys are going to buy it. Sean's not going to give me a motorcycle. Alright, what are y'all doing? Okay. Yeah. I would like to spend like some extended time on this thing to really kind of see what it's about. Like, meaning I would love to take a road trip on one. Let's see, turn off. There you go. Yep, just turned off. It turns off right about the same time I would notice it and turn it off myself, which is, you know, late. Alright, don't drag the foot peg. Don't drag the foot peg. Floorboard, whatever. I still had some room. Okay, I'll automatically cancel that one. But yeah, can confirm the turn signals are self-canceling, which is pretty sweet. It's been fun, guys. I like this bike. The first time I ever rode a Goldwing, I told a buddy of mine and was like, dude, I rode a Goldwing. He goes, oh man, you're gonna get a whole new appreciation for those big bikes, aren't you? And honestly, he's right. I am really starting to appreciate these bigger touring bikes. I really do like them. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm having a lot of fun riding them and trying out all these different ones. So definitely, these big boys definitely have their place in the world. No question about it. Alright guys, we are just about back to the shop. There we go. So this bike is, plug the engine a little bit there. This bike is available on the website at srkcycles.com. There should be a walk around video with it as well, so be sure to check that out. Thanks for coming along and hanging out with me, guys. Had a good time on this. My name's Asher, and I'll see you in the next one.
If you like that video and you want to see more of them, click on the subscribe button. And if you guys didn't know, we also have a motorcycle dealership, Srkcycles.com. We sell and ship bikes all over the country. We have one of the largest inventories in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, which probably means nothing to you because you probably don't live in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. But we have a decent amount of bikes. So check out the first link on the bottom is the website, Srkcycles, and we'll see you guys later.